What is up, everybody? Ben here from Mtek Digital, and today we're going to be going over some things to help your videos look more professional. The first thing I want us to go over is planning. Whether you're making a video that's a little more formatted, like this one, or if you're just going to go with some friends and shoot a fun video. Knowing what shots you want and conceptualizing your video beforehand will help you a ton in post. When it comes to a video like this, having a script, even with just a few bullet points, will help you stay on track with what you want to say. Don't be afraid of messing up or flubbing, because chances are you're not going to get it on the first take. I know I didn't. Going to shoot out kind of it. Now, you may have gotten the perfect take your first run, but chances are in post you might not like how it sounds, or you might not like how you said it. So take a second time and do it again. It acts as a sort of safety cushion that you can fall back on in post. The second thing I want to talk about is lighting. Now, this might seem like something that will cost a ton of money or take up a ton of time, but in reality, it doesn't. And it boosts the quality of your videos tenfold. You don't even need super fancy lights to have good lighting in a video. Sometimes it's just a matter of finding a good enough window that'll make you look good. As long as you don't look like the monster from The Thing. You can use a lamp or your phone, or you can even make your own DIY lighting setup. The final and most important thing we're going to talk about is audio. Even with this bad grainy video, you can still follow along with what I'm saying. When you think of films like The Blair Witch Project or Cloverfield, the directors chose to use shaky and grainy footage. The audio was crisp, clear, and it created suspense. When we switch things around, it becomes unbearable to sit through even a few seconds of this. The video quality is great, but the audio is crap. Now, this might be acceptable for video using action cams when you're going skydiving, but when you're shooting a video like this, it becomes unwatchable. No one wants to sit through this. You can see the importance of good audio. That's it for today. Just a few simple tricks to help you make your video look more professional. When you take a little extra time and put in a little more energy, you can actually come out with a video that looks really good. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video. See you guys next week.